It's a 2015 Honda Civic sedan. Get more mileage out of every drive with this Civic. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: external memory control, doors and push-button start proximity key, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth hands-free link, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. Motor Trend adds, inside, Gen 8's twin-tier dash was kept, albeit significantly revised to carry on the well-liked and well-established design theme. Every Honda's designed with the driver in mind. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Thayer Honda is happy to pass the savings and quality on to our customers. Call, click, or stop in today. We are conveniently located at 1019 North Main Street in Bowling Green, Ohio.